This is Liz Janowski at Sonata, and I thought I would show off what I would consider like our very basic skincare kit. So, you want to have a great great face wash. You can really honestly buy the Obagi wash from us, or you can really get a face wash that isn't too exfoliating. It's something pretty gentle from a drugstore. And then these are the other components that I would really highly recommend anyone from a teenager on up use. And then we have lots of advanced skincare products for skin aging, for those of you who want to spend a little bit more money, take a little bit better care of your skin, but these are great starter products. So, number one, most recommended product in the world is tretinoin retin-A. There's almost no one who shouldn't be using this. This is the 0.025, which is the lightest strength that you can get medical grade. You can buy retinols at Target, at the drugstore, but they're not going to be medical grade, so you're kind of not getting your money's worth. This little tube will last you a long time. We have strengths that go up. What you usually do is you start low, get your skin used to retin-A, and work your way up in strength. Retin-A turns over your skin cells every night. It means your skin is kind of constantly exfoliating itself. It helps prevent breakouts. It's the number one most recommended skincare product in the world for a reason. Retin-A is pretty special. It should definitely be a part of your skincare routine. We can help you work on strength, formulation, how to work your way into using it, and it's a really great thing. It will make your skin more sun sensitive, so you're definitely going to want to wear sunscreen, which you should be doing anyways. So for that, this is our most popular sunscreen, the Elta UV Clear. I love this sunscreen. It's inexpensive. It fits in your purse. I usually buy a few at a time. It is going to have a physical block, which is the most important part of a sunscreen. The physical block actually bounces the sun's rays off of your skin to prevent burning. Proper sunscreen application is to repeat this pretty much every time you're going to go outside and every 2 to 3 hours. Sunscreen only lasts about 3 hours, so you have to repeat using it. Don't forget about your hands, the side of your face, your ears, neck, chest, all of the reasons and places you should use sunscreen, because the sun is not your skin's friend. Your sunburn is the number one cause of skin aging. So we can do a lot of things to undo sun damage, but why not just prevent it? So, and especially if you're using retin-A, you have to use sunscreen. Sunscreen, we love this one. We sell out of this like every week and have to give more. It's a fabulous sunscreen. Next, in sort of the basic kit, I would recommend these brand new Obagi Daily Hydro Drops. So this is a serum. It's really pretty. It's vitamin B3 and hibiscus oil. Isn't that beautiful? Kind of goes on really light and dewy. This would be great for any skin type, for even a teenager, a great starter product. You can see how nice and lovely that is. Kind of rub it in and it just get this little glow, especially for those of you who love a serum. This Daily Hydro Drops is pretty special. Smells great, looks great, feels wonderful. Another great Mother's Day option, but this is a great skincare product for everyone. And then our Mighty Patches. I love Mighty Patches. Excuse me. Mighty Patches are great for when you have a breakout. So they're called invisible. They're actually pretty invisible. You put it on where you're getting a breakout, leave it on for like overnight. In the morning, you peel the sticker off and literally the breakout will come off with the sticker if it is ready to pop. So a fantastic product, has salicylic acid in it, isn't too harsh on your skin. You kind of can't overdo it, protects you from picking at it. Very inexpensive. We love the Mighty Patches. This little pack will last you a long time. So those are some of my favorite basic items, all available here at Sonata. Thank you.